Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Halloween look step by step. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. First, I'm moisturizing my face using Nivea. Once you're done moisturizing, you need to apply any foundation. I'm just blending it with my hands and not using any kind of brush. Now I have mixed white watercolor with some foundation and some Vaseline to make this. Then I'm applying a U shape on my neck and then applying some on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin and some on my cheeks as well. You need not be neat because later you need to blend it. Now draw same kind of lines just like how I'm doing it on your neck as well. Now using a makeup blender, you need to blend it out really well. See that the makeup blender is a bit wet so that it smudges really well. Now you need to take a dark brown eyeshadow and then you need to do kind of a shadow on your neck just like how I'm doing it to give it a realistic look. Apply the same eyeshadow on your cheek as well. Draw a straight line and then slightly bend it downwards, just like how we normally do a contour, but just bend it slightly down. Then do 2 triangles on top of your foreheads on either sides and then take any black gel eyeliner and fill your brows. Your eyebrows need to be really dark, so I am using a gel eyeliner and I'll be filling both of my eyebrows using this gel eyeliner. Then taking the same gel eyeliner, I'm doing a U shape and then joining it downwards. And then I'm going to fill the entire outline with the gel eyeliner completely with black. To look something like this. And then you need to mix orange and red eyeshadow and then apply it under your eyelids. Under your eyes. And then apply some on your forehead as well where you have done the triangle. And apply it on your eyelids as well. Apply it all over your eyes and then you need to smoke it out really well. Blend it out completely around your eyes. See that it's dark enough. And then Take the same eyeshadow and apply it below the brown eyeshadow on your cheeks and blend it. Now take the white watercolor mixed with foundation and Vaseline and apply it under your eyes, which looks like a gap in between, and then also apply on the triangle on the forehead. And then you need to blend it out really well. So that there's no harsh lines. Now take black eyeshadow and draw a line on the bridge of your nose and then slightly extend the line towards your cheek, just like this, and also slightly away from your eyes as well to form an eye socket. Now take the black gel eyeliner and then apply it on your eyelids. Now apply some gel eyeliner wherever you have done the brown eyeshadow, and then smudge it out really well. Smudge your eyes really well to give that smoky look, and see that there's no harsh lines. Now darken the area around your eyes with the black eyeshadow. And also your cheeks. Also darken the triangles on your forehead. Now apply black eyeshadow under your eyes. And also apply black eyeshadow on the inner corners of your eyes. And then draw a wing using a liquid eyeliner, both the sides, and then slightly extend the wing downwards, forming a triangle, and then slightly extend the triangle downwards as well. Do the exact same thing on both the sides. To look something like this, and then draw two small diamonds below the triangle and then draw a triangle on top of your eyebrows, just like this. And draw a dot on top of it. Then you need to take black eyeshadow and then deepen the shadow on your neck to give it a more realistic look. And blend it out really well. Then draw some lines as well. Now take the orange and red eyeshadow and draw 3 lines just above your eyebrows. Then take the liquid eyeliner and draw few lines on top of your eyebrows, just like this. Then take white acrylic paint mixed with foundation and then do something like this, which looks like teeth. And then I'm using mascara on top of my eyelashes. Applied both on top and bottom as well. You can directly use a red lipstick since I do not have red, so I'm applying the red tint first and then I'm applying the MAC Retro Matte in the shade Dance With Me. Now applying the red lipstick on top of my nose, just like this. And then I'm taking liquid eyeliner and then extending my lips by drawing a line. Then draw straight lines, just like this, which looks like stitches. And then take the black gel eyeliner and then give a slight shade on your lips. And then I'm using a red glitter in between my lips and on top of my nose. Then draw the stitches on top of your lips as well. And then it's finally done. This is how the end result looks. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.